Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best tube connector is probably one of the most versatile and essential components for any plumbing or fluid transfer system, offering a secure and leak-proof way to join pipes or tubes together. Whether you're working on a DIY project, a professional installation, or even a complex industrial application, having the right tube connector can make all the difference in ensuring the integrity and efficiency of your setup. These connectors come in a wide array of materials, sizes, and connection types, each designed to meet specific performance requirements and environmental conditions, making the selection process crucial for optimal results and long-term reliability. Number 5. Aquarium Airline Tubing Connectors. Introducing our comprehensive set of Aquarium Airline Tubing Connectors, designed to enhance your fish tank setup. This pack includes 40 essential adapters to ensure a secure and efficient airline system. You'll receive 10 Y-shaped, 10 T-shaped, 10 L-shaped, and 10 I-shaped connectors in this set. This variety ensures you have the right piece for any configuration you need. These connectors are designed to fit standard 3/16-inch, 4/6 mm, air lines with an outer diameter of approximately 5 mm. Please note they are not suitable for 2 mm x 4 mm tubing. For a snugger fit, we recommend briefly softening the end of your tubing in hot water. This will make it easier to attach the connector securely. Crafted from hard, non-toxic plastic, these connectors are built for long-lasting use in your aquarium. They provide a rigid and reliable connection for your peace of mind. These adapters are perfect for connecting your fish tank tubes, air pumps, check valves, and bubble stones. They are great accessories to complete your aquarium's air system. What we like. This set offers a variety of connector shapes for your aquarium airline tubing needs. If you're setting up a new fish tank or expanding an existing one, this comprehensive pack provides all the essential connectors. It's ideal for hobbyists who need flexibility in their air pump and accessory connections. What people say. The connector is easy to install and provides a secure fit. It is made of durable material that is resistant to corrosion. The design allows for a tight seal, preventing leaks. Number 4. 3M DBRY-6 Direct Berry Splice Kit. Introducing the 3M DBRY-6 Direct Berry Splice Kit, designed for reliable connections. This kit is perfect for a variety of applications. Connecting UF-type cable is fast and simple with its easy twist-on design. You'll get a secure connection in no time. This product is suitable for wet, damp, direct bury, and even submersible locations. It offers great versatility for your needs. Experience a strong hold that provides uniform power for dependable connections. It's built to perform in demanding environments. It can withstand temperatures up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit or 105 degrees Celsius. This ensures performance even in challenging conditions. Please note, this product is intended for industrial or occupational use only. It is not for consumer sale or use. What we like. Designed for demanding outdoor applications, this connector ensures a secure and durable electrical connection. If you're working on outdoor wiring projects that require burial or exposure to the elements, this is the robust solution you need. Its high heat resistance makes it suitable for areas with significant temperature fluctuations. What people say. The connector is easy to install and provides a secure fit. It effectively prevents leaks and maintains a consistent flow. The durable material ensures longevity and resistance to wear and tear. Number 3. 8 PCS Plastic Hose Barb Fitting Adapter. This set includes 8 durable plastic barb fittings, perfect for various fluid applications. They are made from 100% PP polypropylene, ensuring strength and resistance to water and chemicals for a long lifespan. You'll receive a variety of sizes to meet your needs, 3/16, 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, and 5/8 in both dimensions. This ensures a perfect fit for different tubing requirements. Installation is a breeze with these fittings. The barbed ends provide a secure, leak-proof connection without the need for glue or special tools. Simply insert your tubing for a tight seal. These fittings can operate reliably in temperatures ranging from -9 degrees Fahrenheit to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Please note that they are not resistant to oil, so keep that in mind for your specific application. Ideal for a wide range of industries, including pharmaceutical, food and beverage, laboratory, and chemical processing. They offer a dependable solution for connecting air, water, and fuel lines. What we like. With a range of sizes available, this fitting is versatile for various fluid and air transfer needs. If you require a reliable connector for applications in food and beverage or chemical processing, its resistance to water and chemicals is a significant advantage. It's a great choice for general-purpose tubing connections where durability is key. What people say. The connector is easy to install and provides a secure fit. It is made of durable material that seems like it will last a long time. The design allows for a tight seal, preventing any leaks. Number 2. 5 packs oxygen tubing swivel connector. Are you constantly dealing with tangled oxygen tubing? It can be a real hassle and even a safety concern. We have the perfect solution to keep your tubing neat and manageable. This simple connector is designed to make your life easier. With its 360-degree swiveling design, it effortlessly prevents kinks and twists in your tubing. Enjoy a smooth, uninterrupted flow of oxygen. Avoid the trip hazards caused by twisted hoses lying on the floor. This connector ensures your tubing stays where it should be, keeping you safe. Simply connect the 2 tubes together. It swivels easily, eliminating tangles and giving you peace of mind. Each package comes with 5 of these essential swivel connectors. Get yours today and say goodbye to tangled tubing. What we like. Tired of tangled oxygen tubing? This swivel connector is your solution for a hassle-free experience. If you or a loved one uses oxygen therapy and struggles with tubing knots, this accessory will significantly improve comfort and safety by preventing kinks and trip hazards. It's perfect for maintaining a tidy and safe environment. What people say. The connector is easy to install and provides a secure fit. It is made of durable material that holds up well under pressure. The design allows for a tight seal, preventing leaks effectively. Number 1. Oxygen tubing swivel connector, 10 PCS. Tired of your oxygen tubing getting tangled and knotted? These connectors prevent your tubes from twisting, so you can move freely without tripping. Ensure a secure connection every time. These connectors fit tightly to your oxygen tubing, preventing leaks and ensuring uninterrupted oxygen flow. Enjoy greater freedom and comfort with 360-degree swiveling action. This allows for increased mobility and a less restrictive experience. Need more length? Simply connect 2 tubes together with ease. These connectors make it simple to achieve the perfect tubing length for your needs. Made from safe and durable PE plastic, these connectors are built to last. You can rely on them for repeated use, providing a long-term solution. This package includes 10 swivel connectors, giving you plenty of spares. Keep your oxygen tubing untangled and functioning optimally. What we like. Enhance mobility and comfort with these swivel connectors designed for oxygen tubing. If you're looking for a secure, leak-free connection that also prevents annoying tangles and potential tripping hazards, this 10-pack is an excellent choice. It's ideal for users who value both safety and freedom of movement. What people say. The connector is made of durable plastic that has held up well under pressure. It fits snugly onto the tubing, preventing any leaks. The design allows for easy connection and disconnection without tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.